So what's up guys, welcome back to my another video. So in this video, as you can see, I will be ranking some PLLs. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so now it's the time for ranking the PLLs. So let's start. So these are the tires: best, good, average, bad, worst. So you kind of not you cannot read them, like this is not that clear, but that's my recording software issue or my laptop issue, I don't know. But anyways, let's start the video. So let's start with the A pumps. A pumps. This thing is the A pump. I think so. This is the A pump. This is good. Yeah, good. Same for the AB pump. Okay, so now this is the F perm. F. This is the Z perm. Z perm is pretty good, but like when you do OLLCP or COLL, and you think, okay, now I will be getting a U perm. I'll do it very fastly, or in bad case, I'll get a H perm, but that's nice, I can do it. And then you go to get a Z perm, and then you think Z Y. So average, not that bad, but average. V perm, the worst. This is the U perm. I don't think they are the best, but good. This thing also good. Y perm, kind of good, but not that great. So that's average for it. N perms. So this is the N. I can differentiate between an A perm and B perm from looking at the picture, but I think this is the an A perm, so it's bad, and it is the NB perm, so it's the worst. And what is this? This is the RB perm, I think. So this is not that bad, but average. So this is where's the another R perm? Yeah, this one. This one's also average. And then we have this thing, T-perm. T-perm is the best PLL. And we have the H-perm. H-perm is the best PLL for me. Like some of you will be considered U-perms there and H-perm here, but for my H-perm is nice. And I also made a video about only the H-perms. So I found a new H-perm algorithm. You can watch it right here at the end card is right here. So watch that video also. And now for the J perms. So I will say both of the J perms are best because I do the lefty version of the JB perm on the JA perm, so that's nice. And the E perm, like when I was learning full PLL, I was thinking that how I'm gonna learn this freaking PLL. That's so hard to learn, and the finger tricks you need to learn, and the PLL is so stupid. This PLL is so stupid that this will go in the worst year. And finally, we have the 4G pumps. So, which is the GA pump? I need to find the GA pump. So, this one. Yeah, this one is the GA pump. It's not that bad, but it's bad, so it's going the bad tier. And we have and can find GD perm. Yeah, this one is GD perm, I think so. And this is not that bad actually, so I'm gonna give this a average. And here we have the G. What is this? What is this? Yeah, this is the GB pump. Yeah, I get so confused in G pumps, recognizing G pumps. So this is the GC. So GC is not that bad, but but it's still the bad. And last but not the least, we have the B pump. Again, I forgot. This is, I think, not that bad. It's average kind of bad. I don't know if there's some spot between these two. I will put this in that, but I don't wanna make another one, so I just give them a bad tier because G pumps are always bad. Okay, so if you haven't entered my $20 giveaway to dailypuzzles.com.au, just click the card here and enter yourself to that giveaway. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.